kids, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to learn English grammar, chapter 10 in your grammar textbook. So, what is the name of the lesson? Chapter 10, am, is and are. Am, is and are. Listen here, look at the picture. I am a girl. Look here, I am a girl. Look here, I am a boy. So, I am a girl, I am a boy. This is a girl and this is a boy. So, listen, here am is used with the pronoun I. Do you remember pronouns? We studied pronouns. In the last grammar class, we learned pronouns. Pronouns means some words that we use in place of nouns. They are called pronouns. Here the pronoun is I. So, I am a girl. I am a boy. Then am is always used with the pronoun I. That means we use am to talk about ourselves. What do you mean by that? We use am. Am is used with the I. I am a girl. So, this am is used with the pronoun I. Am always used with the pronoun I. I am a girl. We cannot say I is a girl or I are a girl. So, we can say I am a girl. I am a girl. I am a boy. Here am is used with the pronoun I. So, am is always used with the pronoun I. We use am to talk about ourselves. Listen here, examples. I am Rohit Kumar. I am Rohit Kumar. Here we use am with I. The next one, I am 5 years old. So, am is used with the I. Here I am from Karnataka. Look here, I am from Karnataka. Am is used with the pronoun I. So, answer the following questions. Begin your sentence with the I am. First question is, what is your name? How to write the answer? My name is. I am. Begin the sentence with the I am. So, you have to write I am, write your name. How old are you? How old are you? So, begin the sentence with I am dash years old. Then, where are you from? Where are you from? So, begin the sentence with the I am. So, I am from so and so. Write the name of your place. So, this one you should write in your grammar textbook. Then, look at the next picture. Amit is a doctor. Amit is a doctor. Look at the next one. It is a tree. It is a tree. Here, look at the word with the red letter, with red color, is. Here also is. Here, is has been used to talk about one person and one thing. So, is. Amit is a doctor. Here we can see only one person. Here look here. Here we can see only one tree. So, we use is. Amit is a doctor. It is a tree. Because here is only one thing. Here is only one person. So, we use is. It is a tree. Amit is a doctor. For next, so we use is to talk about one person, animal, place or thing. We use is with the pronoun she, he and it. So, do you remember the pronouns she, he and it? She is used in place of female naming word, he in place of male naming word and it in place of a thing or animal. So, we use is with this he, she, he and it. Look here, for example, Seema is smart. He is happy. An elephant is a strong animal. Bread is made from wheat. So all this we can see only one person, place or thing or animal. So we use is. Is. Seema is smart. We cannot say Seema am smart because we use am with the I. So Seema is smart. So where we use this is used to talk about one person, place, thing or animal. The next one, rewrite the following sentences using the word is. Here is an example for you. So Neha from Italy. How to write that? Neha is from Italy. We use is here. The next one, Ravi very tall. How to write this answer? How to write? Okay, Ravi is very tall. Ravi is very tall. So all of you write the answers with me. Take your book and write the answers with me. The next one, the dog hungry. So how to write that? The dog hungry. We can write the dog is hungry. The dog is hungry. Okay. The next one, it's a beautiful place. How to write the answer? It's a beautiful place. It is a beautiful place. It is a beautiful place. Okay. So Neha from Italy. Neha is from Italy. Then Ravi very tall. Ravi is very tall. The dog hungry. The dog is hungry. It a beautiful place. It is a beautiful place. Next page. Look here. He my brother. How to write this? He is my brother. He is my brother. The next one, it a bird. It a bird. How to write this? Yes, it is a bird. It is a bird. So is it clear? So we use is with a single when we are talking about one person, place or thing, animal, we use is. And look at the next one. Can you see two pictures here? Look here. We are playing cricket. My friends are singing. So here we use are. Here we use A-R-E-R. We didn't use is. Did we use is here? We is playing cricket. Is it correct? No. Why? We use are. We are playing cricket. Because here we can see two person. We. So here also look here. My friends are singing. Here 1, 2, 3 are here. So we more than 1. So are is used to talk about more than one person. Are is used to talk about more than one person. Here we can see two children. Here 3 are here. So we use are. Here are is used to talk about more than one person. We are playing cricket. My friends are singing. We use are to talk about more than one person, animal, place or thing. Clear? Now look here. Tina and Nikki are best friends. Tina and Nikki. Here also two people are here. Tina and Nikki. So we use are. Tina and Nikki is best friend. Is it correct? No. Why? Because Tina and Nikki more than one person. So Tina and Nikki are best friends. The next one. They are my grandparents. They are my grandparents. Grandparents means grandfather and grandmother. So we use two person are there. So we use are. Now look here. You are a good singer. You are a good singer. You means you. Here you means you are. Are we use are with you also. We use am with I. Like that we use are with you. We cannot say you is. You are a good singer. The next one, the flowers are in the vase. Are. Flowers are in the vase. The next one, rewrite the following sentences using the word are. We hungry. How to write this? We are hungry. The next one, John and Rohit reading books. How to write this? John and Rohit are reading books. So write John and Rohit are reading books. Okay. The next one, the dogs barking. The dogs barking. What is the, how to write this? The dogs, here we can see dogs, more than one. So we can use are. The dogs are barking. The dogs are barking. Okay, is it clear? So we use are when we are is used to talk about more than one person. Okay. Now in the next page, these my friends. How to write this? They my friends. How to write this? They are my friends. They are my friends. Next one, the plates dirty. The plates dirty. How to write this? The plates are dirty. The plates are dirty. Now listen. Choose the words given in the box that are used with am, is and are. She, we, it, I, they, he. Am is used with the she, we, it, I, they or he. That you have to write. That is your homework. So am is used with the what? Is used with the what? Are is used with the he, she, we, it, I, they or he. Is it clear? The next one. Fill in the blanks with the am, is and are. I dash afraid of cockroaches. We use a dash with the I. Which one? Am, is or are? We use am. Okay. I am afraid of cockroaches. The next one. Jitin and Kunal dash going to the zoo tomorrow. Jitin and Kunal. How many persons are here? 2. So we use am, is or are. Okay, are. She dash my grandmother. She, am, is and are. She means only one person. So we can use she is my grandmother. The next one, it dash my umbrella. Here only one umbrella. So we can, which one? Am, is or are? It is my umbrella. Then the next one, lemons dash saw. Am, is or are? Lemons are, because here lemons more than one. So once again, we always use am with the pronoun I. For example, I am from Italy. Then we use is to talk about one person, animal, place or thing. Then we use are to talk about more than one person, animal, place or thing. Then are is always used with the you. Then we are going to school. They are my grandparents. So all of you do the exercises in grammar textbook. So this is your homework. Do the exercise in grammar text. Okay, thank you. We will meet in the next class.